Kotomoni somero lwa korain Abaoi kaisi amorartos somero lwa kakatingi primary school bira kamuk parents primary school kodekere achamidako kwape somero da luda erono ekechi jautene nada darure ko yaita kirano kaiman man isomero mole Monica alweo ngesalim dai beringe kada epol karada ekorartos ber kwana kes Abaoi akwatira kira kesa kanyapanu kanyape kamede jasi somero ikanyape.
Within the district is not good because basing on our enrollment in primary schools in government, we have an enrollment of 42,794 learners. So out of that, we only have 1,357 desks, giving us an average of one desk taking 8 children in our good schools. But in most of our schools, the ratio is 1 to 17, which is not tallying with the national and acceptable ratio of 1 to 3. And therefore, as a district, we appreciate what the government has done, but we still have a gap of 12,907 desks if we are to meet the national standard in all our schools. Let the teachers in charge furniture and compound take good care of the desks as we wait for more supply.
Lord Rai Principal Assistant Chief Administrative Officer Lokoka Bermaido Haman Ejoku ngesalim daibeto somatake sesirigin wedolete milona kaisara luwagon kede ilukumina kwa takanyangon kanukada agwelna Abaoi nu.
Here 2022-2023 we allocated funds towards procurement of desks for 6 primary schools. That is to fill the gap, because last financial year we procured 1,017 desks. This year we procured 166, and we are going to distribute in 6 schools. Our pupil desk ratio has been so high, but we are having a concerted effort as a district to try and bridge the gap. And going forward, we are hoping that next financial year we are trying to look for funding to procure about 3,000 desks. That will push us to the desk ratio of about 1 to 5, which will mean that all our pupils will, although they'll squeeze themselves, but they'll be able to sit on the desks in the classes.
Konye aradisi loko kabirmaido Haji Ramadan Walugembe ngesa baladaibe ejati oneskoto monosomero iche na harai mamna datos Abaoi kojoka.
My message to the head teacher is that they should have a mentality of repairing some of these furniture, because the government has done its part. These are almost 200 chairs, and the others are coming.
Michael Nyinge, TV East, Kokabirmaido District.